Welcome to the Casa training program. Today you'll be learning how to properly make one single order banana blizzard. Step 1. You must have all required utensils on hand, such as long mixing spoons, scooping tongs, one clean knife, a clean cutting board, and a designated glass cup. Step 2. Gather all needed ingredients such as one full banana, fresh banana chunks, fresh strawberry chunks, milk, honey, grenadine, and whipped cream. Step 3. Start by peeling the banana and breaking it into pieces. Then add it to the blender. Next, add in your set measurements of honey, milk, and ice. Place the lid on the blender, put it on the base, hold down the top to secure the lid and blend. Step 4. Now that your mixture is ready, take your scooping tongs and add 1 scoop of fresh strawberries and 1 scoop of fresh banana into the glass. Use the grenadine to pre-garnish your drink before adding the mixture by squeezing a small amount around the rim of the glass. Step 5. Pour the mixture into the glass. Garnish with whipped cream. Serve with a smoothie straw and a long smoothie spoon. Thank you for listening and stay tuned.